Hello, my name is Osvaldo Eduardo Laredo Gomez. Mm, I am from Mexico. Actually, live in Monterrey, Nuevo León. I am studying university. My chapter favorite is Robert Downey Jr. Because as funny person, charming person, and he's tall and his eyes and hair is a brown. Um, I'm family. We are for people. My dad, my mom, and my brother younger. And my dad is a bricklayer in the morning, and and after half a day is dedicated full-time work. My mom is dedicated business in the house, and my brother he is a student the high of school, and I'm very lazy. Uh, I don't have much to say on my past vacation. I always uh, pass them on at my house. My future plans are to buy me a house and car, but my priority is finish the studies. Thanks.